Tikagaragara vakadzi vane mwoyo yakaipa zvikuru. Tinashe Mutarise only discovered kuti he has a daughter who's now 19 years old recently. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Musikana decided to share her journey kuti akazowana baba vake sei asi panyaya yese iyi. Tinashe Mutarise did not know kuti ane mwana. So she wrote, please allow me to share with you a life story which is like a movie plot. Discovering my father is alive at 19. I grew up thinking a man who passed away was my dad, but he wasn't. After his death, I moved from relative to relative, facing mistreatment and hardships. Eventually, I found solace with a kind 92-year-old woman who took me in as her own. Then my mother dropped a bombshell, revealing my real father is alive. Next post is on me meeting my biological father. Saka mai ava vakarega vamwe baba vasiri Tinashe vachikurisa mwana asiri wavo. Vakati ivo baba vache ndo ava vashaika. Asi zvakanga zvisiri izvo. Zvinhu zvinonyadzisa zvakadii zvokuti you deprive mwana kunoona baba wake. So azonyora iye akati, a few weeks ago my mother informed me that my deceased father's relatives wanted to meet me. I traveled from Cape Town to Harare, Greendale, where I met the man I already followed on Facebook. To my surprise, he revealed himself as my alleged father. Despite coming from different worlds, we found common ground and shared a laugh over the stark differences in our lives. He is rich, and I am, or should I say I was poor. We even joked about the cost of his shoes being enough to cover my school fees from primary to secondary. We decided to invite Tinashe Mugabe to confirm the theory. Akazonyora zvakare part 3 yestory yake akati, I know you are eagerly awaiting part 3, and I'm just as eager to share everything that's been happening in my life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Please bear with me as I am still in shock. I finally met my alleged father, but meeting the rest of the family was still pending. I'm filled with curiosity to meet everyone. My alleged father is a wonderful man who claims to love me to the moon and back. It feels amazing to have someone who cares for you so deeply in your corner. He mentioned wanting to introduce me to some very special people. We embarked on a long journey until we reached the farm. As we drove a kilometer or two further, we arrived at a farmhouse. After parking, my father hurried out to greet an elderly couple, leaving me in the car to watch their conversation about me. Upon returning, he revealed that the couple were his in-laws, and he wanted me to meet them. I was a little apprehensive, but as I stepped out, I was met with the warmest smiles I've ever seen. You'd think they were my father's own parents. They prepared a delightful celebratory meal for me, and my father left me in their care for 2 days. The kindness they showed me was beyond words, and I felt incredibly fortunate to have them as my grandparents. My father called to inform me that I was to return to Harare to meet the entire family. I was to travel with his in-laws, whom I had grown to love dearly. I can't reveal where we were traveling from just yet because you will then know who my father is. Don't worry, I will reveal him to you soon through a Tinashe Mugabe video. But for now, I can only hint that my father is acquainted with Fritz Donzo and Comic Elder, but not Hattie Perry. As we arrived in Harare during lunchtime, I prepared myself to meet my mother and siblings for the first time. As we parked, I saw kids and my heart missed a bit. I was finally meeting them. Saka vamutarise vanoratidza kuti munhu ari honest kuti he was actually a victim in all this, and the fact yekuti vakatora mwana uyu vakaenda naye kuma in-laws kwavo, guys, kuma in-laws, ende tinoziva kuti kana munhu achinge ane mwana waakaita kunze, whether it's before waroora munhu iyeye kana kuti ma-in-laws vanowanzosaida nemwana wavo, havatombodi anything chinomukanganisira marriage yake. But in this case, it shows kuti mai Mutarise vanobva kumba iri blessed Christians. Guys, zvinodadisa izvi. Zvinoratidza zvakare kuti vaMutarise was willing to go beyond, beyond chii, ku accommodate this child into the family. So she wrote again as she continued with the journey. So my alleged father and mother gathered my new siblings and me in the bedroom. My mother introduced me to everyone, and the younger siblings were overjoyed at the thought of having a new sister. They even gave me names on the spot: Maita, Matipa, and Majita, but my dad had already named me Namwari. The older siblings were a bit confused, as my dad had warned me they might be, but their love for me was evident. My younger sister, older sibling, even gave me a pajamas, and the younger sibling stuck to me like glue, treating me like a superhero. I couldn't help but feel overwhelmed by their love and acceptance, wondering if it was all just a dream. I quickly grew to love my new family, especially my new mom, a devoted Christian who took the time to learn everything about me. My dad had warned me that she was a saint, but I didn't realize the extent of her kindness until now. I feel blessed to have found such a loving and welcoming family. I can't help but believe that God's timing truly is the best timing. Saka vakazoenda kumba ndokunointroducwa sezvamangonzwa apa vechikuru vana Tinashe Junior ndo vanga vasinganzwisisi kuti kodhedhi vane umwe mwana seizve. Anyway, zvinhu zvacho handiti munoona kuti kuzoblenda mafamilies mwana akura, vakadzi vakangotsamwira kuti munhu akarambiwa kana chii chakaitika between Mutarisi namai vemwana uyu, kusvika mai vadhisaidha kungodhisapiya nenhumbu yemunhu vonoroorwa votoita zveikoko vodhiprivha mwana. Iko zvino mwana anozointroducwa kufamily yake atova munhu mukuru, and now thereis confusion that is coming in. Vamutarisi tinoziva kuti vane vana vavo 4 and then takuona uyu umwe mukuru, and vakuru avo vakutoshamisika kuti ko chii chakuitika, but in all this anyway we just think kuti mai Mutarisi vakamira nemurume wavo sezviri kutaurwa nemwana kuti she is the one who took the initiative yekuintroducer musikana. Okay, so my father says he wants to go visit the good granny who raised me. He says he wants to buy something big for her to thank her for taking care of me. I can't wait to see my granny happy and surprised. Last Christmas I bought her mazishke, used clothes. 3 months down the line, I'm bringing her a man who is able to build her a house. God's time is the best. Saka, latest update inoti, how are you my family? It's been a long time. Did I tell you I'm going to work now? I'm working at my father's company. I'm fine. I hope you were not worrying much about me. I went to see Gogo, who I told you took care of me when I was desperate. I went with my father. Gogo was very happy, but my father cried like a baby. We all cried. So ndokubva azonyora kati it's my father's birthday tomorrow. Vamutarisi took it upon himself to introduce Namwari Mutarisi as his daughter. Vachibva vaisa pastori yavo yefacebook, vakaisa kuNash TV, vakaisa kuavo personal profile, vachiratidza kuti he is so overjoyed that even he is going to reveal himself panzvimbo chekuti mablog atange kumanyira nyaya dzacho tichimirira Tinashe Mugabe. Izvi zvinongoratidza zvega panodiwa DNA yeyi kana makatarisa miromo ndiyo yekwaMutarisi. Anyway, we are so happy for Mr. Mutarisi kuti finally he has been united with his daughter. Anga asingatombozivi kuti anoexista. Vakadzi makamboita seiko, ngatigadzirisei unhu wedu tisadeprive vana of happiness. Magorokoto naMwari Mutarisi nekuti wapukunyuka namo all these years uchitambudzika, baba vako vari millionaire. Chii chakadaro ichocho chinenge ngozi.